I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney. Today we're speaking with James Bean, SVN Investments 1031 Exchange Specialist Expert Extraordinaire. James, what the heck is a 1031 exchange? I hear it all the time.
It's a great question. A lot of people ask me that have just never heard of it. It's basically an article in the Internal Revenue Tax Code that allows people that have owned investment property to sell and exchange into another investment property. That process allows them to defer the capital gains tax.
So are they getting to peel off the profits from that sale?
No.
It's all rolled in.
They can peel it off. They can take a portion of it. It will trigger a taxable event, and they'll pay some boot. They call that amount of money boot, and there will be tax on that boot. Why they call it boot's a great question. I don't have any idea why they came up with that. But so let's do a quick example. Somebody buys an investment property, a fourplex. Say they bought it in the 80s for $1 million. Now it's worth $5 million. And mom and dad figure out, you know what, the kids don't want it. We got $4 million in equity sitting in this thing. If they sell it and don't do an exchange, they're probably looking at more than $1 million tax.
It's a lot of dough.
That's a lot of dough.
Yeah.
You know, especially if they have kids and heirs. I mean, that's a significant amount of money. So they can sell it, exchange into a more passive, hands-off investment property, and they will defer that $1 million.
That's fantastic. Wow. So in that sense, they're able to move all the dough, all the taxes, all the gains down the line when it's going to be a step up in basis.
Well, step up happens when somebody passes. You know, if one of the spouses passes, then the other spouse gets a step up in basis. And then when that remaining spouse transfers it to the kids, wills it to the kids, whatever that asset may be, the kids will get a step up in basis.
So everybody wins.
Yes. Great way to preserve wealth.
I'm David Schneider, your trusted estate planning attorney. Today we've been speaking with James Bean. James is a 1031 exchange expert. James, let everybody know how they can get this important information.
Thank you, David. Best way is to reach me at my website, which is best1031online.com, or you can find me on all the social channels at 1031 Broker James.